All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what I was talking about, when we said we're going to compare two separate sets of data and try to see if there is any parity or comparison between the two, that we can come up with. Here we have a person who has scored 2200 out of 2400 on SAT. And here's another person who has scored 24 out of 36 on ACT test. So we are going to compare, let's say if you are an admission counselor and you have these two candidates for your college admission, and one with an SAT score on his transcripts and another person with ACT score of 24 on his transcripts. So how are you going to determine which of the two candidates is academically strong? So in order to calculate the Z-score, we are assuming that these two data sets actually provide you some information. If that information is not there, you might have to calculate that one too. So in the case of SAT, let's assume the mean is 1600 out of 2400. Mean, this is the average of all the people who take SAT score. This is the average that they come up with. So this is the average for the people who take SAT score. This is the mean for SAT score. Now, this is the mean with the standard deviation of 200 score points. 200 here. So we have a mean of 1600 with a standard deviation of 200. On the ACT side, we have a mean of 1200, 12 out of 36, meaning that most people in this case have scored 12 out of 36 with a standard deviation of 3, meaning there's a 3 plus or 3 minus from the average score, from the mean score of 12 in this entire group. So some people might have done 15, which is 12 plus 3, and some people might have done 12 minus 3, which is 9. So with the standard deviation of 3, that will be the case for this one. Now, in case of the Z-score,